are here to break ground, symbolically, on this amazing achievement of being able to put an automotive program here at Highlands Ranch High School. This will be our first automotive program in Douglas County School District on the west side of I-25. I first have to say how incredibly thankful we are to our taxpayers and the citizens of Douglas County for supporting our 2023 mill levy override and our 2024 bond, which is the reason that we are here today, their support.
Automotive continues to stay at one of the top 10 certifications that are needed here in the state of Colorado for us to be able to continue to provide employability opportunities for students. So the fact that we are here today is very timely and very important.
We have currently 15 pathways going on in this building, along with 4 more that we will be offering next school year. And so you can see that we are the perfect place to add the automotive program.
The unique thing about this space is we will also be offering diesel opportunities, and that'll be the first program on this side within a high school pathway that we're able to meet that goal for our students as well. So it's not only about great things for kids, but it's about timely and thoughtful implementation of programs so that we can not just meet the Douglas County need, but also the state of Colorado.
It's really near and dear to my heart that it's in Douglas County, and CTE couldn't be more important. And I just think it's a revitalization, you know, for people that want to work with their hands.
Putting an automotive program here at Highlands Ranch High School means that all of our students on the west side of I-25 now have easy access to automotive programming. And as all of you know, we're finding that means that we're preparing our kids to be college and career ready.
We are so thrilled to make this automotive program part of our building. Our staff is so excited to be part of this process. And we are so grateful to the Douglas County community for investing in our schools.
It is like seeing a 10-year dream come to fruition as we get to break ground today. And I am just honored and blessed to be able to be a part of this and continue the work that we have started here in Douglas County. So thank you for your support and thank you for your time. We're so incredibly grateful.